All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Cardano itself. See what is happening with the price of Cardano and, of course, what is yet to come. And I know, don't get me wrong, I know there's going to be some people right away that are just going to go in the comments down below. Oh, there we go again. ADA back down to 72 cents. It's not even holding above 80 cents. These are the comments that are going to flow in. And again, guys, another day and another time for your patience to really get tested. So, we're going to take a little bit of a look and see what is happening. And yeah, so let's waste no more time and get into that. So if we're looking at ADA, it's down about 7.6%, but hold on. Before anyone comes out and says anything, like I said, take a look at everything right now, except a few handful coins. We're seeing quite a bit of red across the board. And wow, what a coincidence. I spoke about this literally yesterday that, we could see, a flush within the price of BTC. If you want to get that confirmation, hit the pause button, go watch my video yesterday. We discussed that. And, these are times that are needing to, be understood. You need to understand them. This is only for the newcomers coming to the space. Nothing is going to go up straight forever. And, the entire crypto market is highly correlated with the price of Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin sees a pullback, in this case it was a 10% pullback, you best believe that you are going to see the entire market reacting to that. And you can pretty much see this right now. So if we're looking at ADA is currently sitting at 72 cents, down about 7.6% as mentioned in USD comparative. It's also down 1% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Now, if we're looking at its market cap, still above 25 billion, to be exact, 25.4 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $1.7 billion. So not bad. I know a lot of people might be confused, but in my opinion, ADA is looking good compared to, the overall market momentum. So let's continue going. I am too excited right now, as you can see. But yeah, if you guys obviously do follow me on my channel, guys, Solana just absolutely went crazy. So obviously I'm excited about that. But we're going to talk about ADA and see what is happening with its price. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I kind of highlighted the dominance index, the importance of this in some of my other updates that I did earlier. But I know not everyone watches every single update. Maybe there's some people that only watch Cardano updates. So that's why I'm going to kind of highlight what has happened with the dominance index. So, the dominance index is something that I've incorporated when I'm analyzing the charts. And this is something I will continuously do until, the very end. This is one of the best tools for you to really take advantage of, because it can really tell you what's happening. And if you kind of get the grasp of this can really benefit you in the long haul. So what you're looking at Bitcoin dominance doing right now is, even though we did see a flush for Bitcoin, we're still seeing the dominance around the 53% mark. And surprisingly, it has dropped compared to yesterday. So what is this telling us? This in short words tells us that momentum right now is still more towards altcoins. And this is one of the best ways to kind of see that. But now for shifting our focus towards BTC, you can see this for yourself. Bitcoin was able to see this, flush for about, you could say, 10%. And again, not surprised at all. Me personally, I was projecting that, this will happen later this month or possibly going into April, which I still think we will see. Now, in my opinion, here's what I'm thinking now. I'm thinking now is, we did see this flush, which obviously was something that I was anticipating, because nothing's going to go up forever. We're going to see the weak hands get shaken out, and that happens every single time. Every single time that happens. But now that we have seen the correction occur on the 15th of March, I think now once the market starts heading back towards the upside, I think we will start seeing another rally leading up to the halving. So in April, I'm still projecting for us to see a pullback. So that's how I'm currently taking a look at it. But right now, tomorrow morning, the way Bitcoin closes tomorrow is going to be very, very important. So we will kind of analyze everything tomorrow as well. But that's how I'm currently taking a look at, the overall markets now. But now let's shift our focus to our good old friend ADA. So Cardano, still is in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And yeah, I like that. And I will continue saying I like that. Guess why? It's good. We're still above the bear market cycle. As I've told you guys before, the bear market cycle came to an end on the last day of the month of February. And as of now, besides this massive wick towards the downside, which did not last too long, besides that, we haven't seen the price dropping below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and that is showing you the strength of the holders right now. And that should also give you an understanding that there is quite a bit of demand around these levels, believe it or not. So let's take a closer look and see what is happening. I don't know why this came. We don't need Dow Jones. We need the hourly time frame. So there we are. So let's take a look at that. So if you're looking at the price of ADA, you're seeing a sideways pattern forming. And this is something we've been indicating on the channel over the past few days. You can see this for yourself. Let me draw it out for you. So above the 78.6, not below. So, you're seeing a sideways pattern like this forming, which is a really, really good thing, believe it or not. And obviously we did see the price go down to that 69.89 cents, and of course that is a support as well. And you can pretty much see that support did come in the way for ADA, but we have seen a little bit of a bounce since then. But now at the same time, we are facing some resistance. So if this resistance is able to break out, we're back up to that 75 cents market, then obviously pushing back up to those yearly highs. I think we will see ADA recovering out of this corrections really, really fast. But with that being said, if you are an ADA holder, you do want to be focusing very close on Bitcoin's price. And like I said, tomorrow, the way Bitcoin is able to close its daily candle will kind of give us an indication as to what we could be expecting for the entire market. We might have to reevaluate everything if Bitcoin is not able to close its daily candle above or even at this key support line. So, these are some factors. Obviously, only time is going to tell. So tomorrow's update, I will bring that to you guys. But as of now, the fact that we're still above the 78.6, level is amazing to see. But yeah, that's how I'm currently taking a look at, guys. Patience is your number one key to follow, as I've said from the beginning. And I will continue to say that. Don't listen to these trolls, especially the newcomers coming into the space. There's going to be these trolls that are going to be saying, oh, ADA's not doing anything, this and that. I hope you really take a look at the bigger picture from October 10th. This is one of the biggest assets in the crypto markets. It's up quite substantially, and it is reacting to the overall market momentum. It might not be pulling something like Solana is doing, but again, this is where your diversification comes into play. So that's that. So far, so good. I like what I'm seeing, but I will keep you guys updated tomorrow. But yeah, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.